Hey guys, and welcome back to my part 2 kitchen spring clean with me. If you didn't catch part 1, then I will pop the link to it down below. But for today we are cleaning the blinds, deep cleaning and organising the fridge, and then also doing the same for the under the sink cupboard. So starting off with the blinds, I'm first getting rid of all the dust with the Pledge feather duster. Then afterwards I used a minky and my washing up liquid and water mix to clean all the slats. Finally I went over everything with my diluted Sephora mix. At the moment I'm really enjoying using the Tropical Twist one that I picked up in Poundland, as it just reminds me of summer and holidays. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a specific favourite Sephora. I'd love to know. At the moment I have Bouquet, Linen Fresh, Country Garden and then the Tropical Twist, but I find I'm reaching for the Tropical Twist the most just because it does remind me of summer. But let me know in the comments down below. Next, it's onto the fridge. This wasn't too bad, but every once in a while it's nice just to give it a thorough clean. Again, I'm using all the same products and I'm using this Ecover washing up liquid to wash all the shelves and drawers. All my fridge storage is from Poundland, and I do have a video where I shared with you how I organise my fridge with the Poundland storage, which I will link down below if you want to go and check that out. was on to cleaning and sorting out the under the sink cupboard, as this can get messy easily, as I'm just always reaching for different cleaning products on the daily. And we also keep our recycling bin under here. Again, I have a separate video on how I organise this area and what I keep under here, but this does change every so often, so if you would like me to do an updated what's under my sink and how I organise it, then let me know down below. So the last thing I'm doing, because I've used so many different cloths for deep cleaning, is I like to put them all in the washing machine so they're all nice and clean to use again. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it motivated you to start your spring cleaning. I will have some more spring cleaning videos coming soon, so keep a lookout for them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you're doing well and staying safe at home, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.